Check out this frog right here. Looks a lot bigger, of course, on camera. Everything looks bigger on camera. Let's go in for a close-up. Are you ready for your close-up, Mr. Frog? Huh? Ribbit. And then I think I saw another frog over here who's also camouflaged. He's still alive. So there's another frog. He's really good. He's really good at camouflaging right there. Huge motherfucker. And then there's a little baby frog right here. Oh, he can jump real well. See if I can find him for you. Where did he go? There he is. Camouflage like a motherfucker. Alright, so there's some nature today.